Hey guys, Alex here from Mixtank, and on today's toolbox I'm going to show you how to use macros on the drum rack in Ableton. Now the cool thing about this is when you're using a drum rack, you know, you're triggering your samples, triggering your kicks, using it to play all your percussion, and if you want to switch out samples it's great because you can just drag and drop a new kick on there if you want to change the kick or a new clap. But using the macro feature you can map 128 kicks to one drum pad. This is how you do it. So first of all in Ableton you've got your drum rack down here which we've just got a kick drum in, and we've got some drums here, so if we take a listen to this you can hear that it's playing in time and everything with the loop. And traditionally if you want to change your kick drum, what you'd do is then you'd be dragging a different kick onto here, previewing that, seeing how it sounds. But what we're going to do is we're going to put a macro knob on there which allows you to select between 128 different kicks. So you can set some drum racks up with your kits on, you can have your claps, your snares, your hi-hats, everything all macroed on there, which will flick through 128 different samples. So at any point while making your track, it's really easy just to flick through them sounds and change whatever you want in there. So first of all what we're going to do is get rid of that bass drum, and then we're going to go into instruments, we're going to put a sampler on there, and then what we're going to do is go to our samples and we're going to take 128 different kicks, and then we're just going to drag and drop them onto the sampler. Next we're going to click zone, and we're going to click the select button, and then right up here we're going to go to distribute ranges equally, and then we're going to right click again and go to map to macro 1. So now if you watch here, as we flick through this sample selector, it'll actually change the different kick drum that we're listening to. Now you can do this with whatever you want, so you do that with your claps, your snares, your hi-hats, you could do it with bass tones, you could do it with anything you want that you want in a rack which is easy to get to and easy to grab. So we hope you found that one useful. Head to mixtank.tv to find out more tips and tricks from myself, and also check out all of our exclusive long format courses for some really cool artists. I'll catch you again soon.